Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. Hope all is well. Guess what? This weather done surprised us. It changed up on us. And whereas it was getting warm, I'm telling you, it's like a little hurricane or something is out there. I'm telling you, it's blowing everything all around. But you know what? It wasn't enough to hold me back. I knew I wanted to go to Target so that I could get this Persil deal. And I was able to get it. I probably shouldn't have bought these, you know, these are the packs. And let's see, how many are in here? 38 power caps are in here. But I decided to buy one of these. Why? Because this was cheaper. It was cheaper than this one. And I only had a $1 off coupon that I could use. So that's what I used. All right, so my first transaction was 3 containers of the Persil, and each one was $11.99. Was that my first? Well, actually, my first one, I didn't buy all 3 of the containers. I bought 2 of the containers and 1 power pack. They call them Pro Clean. They call it Pro Clean. I bought 1 of the power caps. And so that's all that I bought in the first transaction. That came up to $27.24. I received a $10 gift card. So that's $27.24 is with $2.08 in tax, but it was $25.16. I used the $3 off coupons that I had. I used 3 of them. So that took off $9. And so my total payment came up to $27.24. But let's subtract the $10 gift card that I got. And so that leaves $17.24. So not bad for this powerful Persil detergent. And it's 100 fluid ounces. So I didn't think that was bad. Being that each one costs $11.99, and I'm saying that I got it for $25. It was $25.16, but I got it for $15.16, and I got 3 of them. Okay, so that was transaction number 1. And like I said, I received a $10 gift card that I used with the next transaction. And the next transaction was 3 100 fluid ounces containers of the Persil. Each one was $11.99. And of course, I bought Talenti. You know, that's my favorite. This one here is for me, the butter pecan. Well, the Sicilian pistachio. And this one here is for my grandson. He went with me. So I got him a chocolate chip cookie dough. So this one is his. And they were 2 for $7. So I just added it with my transaction. And altogether that came up to $35.97. $2.24 with tax. So that came up to like $38.21. However, I used 2 $3 off coupons and then 1 $1 off coupon. And I also used the $10 gift card that I had earned from the first transaction. And that brought me down to $35.97. Not bad. Figuring that if you take into consideration that I bought this ice cream as well. All right, so minus the $10, that brings me down to $25.97. Considering I got this ice cream too, okay? Not ice cream, I call it ice cream, but it's gelato. Gelato. All right, guys. So this is my haul from Target. And I made a special trip over to Target just so that I could get some Persil because I'm almost out. And because I've been getting some of the people that come to buy from me, I've been letting them try the Persil. Now they love it. And so they're asking me for it. So I said, I better get it while it's on sale. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I do a video. Okay, guys, I love you much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.